So if you want to know how to make a plate napkin to spice up your Christmas table decoration, then you need to keep on watching. I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful napkin. Let's go to my sewing machine. The napkin, and the measurement is 13 by 15. You can make it however length you want it to be. So I'm going to be doing 6 placements. So I'm going to take the first one, and I would, obviously this is the right side, so I would fold it in on the wrong side and then start sewing it so all the way round. Hold that in, turn, so that's the beautiful placemat all done. I nicely ironed it so it looks nice and crisp, and then the menu is going to be just slotted into that pocket I created. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to unravel this beautiful placemat. You can also put the cutleries inside, by the way, and then I would show you how to fold it. So first off, I've opened it up, I folded it into half like so, and then fold it into half again. I'm just trying to gauge where the center point is, just so I would know where I want the quarter of it to show. Ignore the lines I've ironed already. Now, so that is open, that is the right side, and then I'm going to take a quarter of it and fold it like so, and then take it to the other side. So that's the wrong side, just so you can see what I'm doing. Take it back to the right side, fold it once and fold it twice. So turn it the other way around, and that is the placemat. Like, this is so simple. Like, you can put your cutlery inside, you can also put the menu inside, and that's it pretty much. Thanks for watching. If you want more of this kind of videos, please like, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification. See you later. Bye.